Maybe you've tried to start an online business before, but failed. Just know that it's not your fault because right now we're in a time where stocks, crypto, NFTs, and side hustles just aren't what people said they were going to be. But the business that has succeeded throughout all of this craziness and has actually grown is e-commerce. More specifically right now, digital e-commerce. Because as the global digital transformation is happening right now in front of our very own eyes, more and more people are starting to make money online by selling digital products. Digital products are things such as ebooks, guides, worksheets, templates, videos, audios, really anything that can instantly be delivered to your customer. And what most people don't know is that you actually don't have to make digital products if you want to sell them. So right now in this video, I'm going to give you the same strategy I use and that someone else used to go from zero to over $43,000 in 1 month. And that's by dropshipping digital products. What's going on? Tanner here with another video. Hope you're having an amazing and productive day so far. I started my first e-commerce business back in 2017 and have since generated multiple seven figures in sales on my stores and have actually been documenting the journey here on this very YouTube channel. To dropship digital products successfully and make your first sale, there are 5 components that you're going to need to follow. So make sure to pay attention here right now throughout this video. And the first one is product research. Now, in the world of physical dropshipping, where you sell products from overseas online, the fundamental strategy for product research, people would tell you to do things such as go to TikTok and search a hashtag like TikTok made me buy it to go and find the ideas. Now, what's great is that that same fundamental applies here for digital products, but the best thing is that we are dropshipping digital products instead. So instead of selling the same product as everybody else and just competing with everyone and running ads, spending money, and giving customers a bad experience with long shipping times, we get to sell products that are instantly delivered to our customers and that we don't have to pay a product cost on. So what I recommend you do in this product research stage and what we do is use social media to our advantage. And more specifically, TikTok is probably the easiest. And what we're doing in product research stage is looking for existing creators and pages and pain point categories that sell digital products. Now, when I say pain point categories, the main ones you may think of: health, wealth, happiness, and relationships. But really all we're doing is breaking these down into specific SEO prompts. Now, SEO is just search engine optimization, and here are 5 prompt ideas that you can use to search on places like TikTok and YouTube to look for creators that might be selling digital products. So, for example, how do I lose weight? Managing stress. How do I improve my credit score? How can I prepare for a job interview? How can I effectively manage my time? These are pain point prompts that people search for. And another example, I could even just go to YouTube and search up one of these, for example, like time management. And you're going to see all these videos from all these different creators. And I mean, this is something you can even do on TikTok if you want to find smaller creators. But for example, if we have this guy right here and we go down, we can see here that he is selling a course on productivity for creators. So that's good to know. And TikTok will probably be a better option for you in this research stage because you'll find some smaller pages that will sell different products. Now let's check out this guy right here. If he is selling anything here. So he has a course, he has a guide, which is very cool. Okay, he has a template for $29. Awesome. So these are examples of digital products. But remember what I said at the beginning, you actually don't have to be an influencer or a creator to sell digital products. You don't have to make the digital products yourself. And that's what this video is all about. So if you want more prompts for your product research, I have a list of the 50 most popular questions people are asking in pain point categories. So if you just message me the number 50 on Instagram at Digital Dropshippers, I'll send you the PDF so you can access it. It looks something just like this, but with 50. And what's important when doing your product research, and what I want you to do if you're a beginner, is take note of these different digital products you see, but make sure that you're looking for self-paced products. So self-paced products are ones that can instantly be delivered to your customers that can be accessed at any time without assistance. So self-paced products are ones, for example, like we saw for this guy on YouTube, it's a template that is self-paced. Something that wouldn't be self-paced would be something like a private group or a done-for-you digital product. And the reason I recommend self-paced products if you're a beginner is because these are going to be the easiest to source and sell so that you can go from scratch to your first sale in record time. So now what's important we need to do is product sourcing. So what we can actually do is find existing digital products online and buy the rights to them so we can make them more valuable and start marketing. So let's say we choose the time management as our pain point niche. Specifically, what I could do is even break this down even further into time management for full-time employees who want to build an online business. That is going to be a very specific market, because if you try to just sell digital products as time management only, or health or fitness, it's very broad and most people just aren't going to take action on it. So the way I would go from scratch right now to having a time management brand and offer ready to start marketing today, what I would do is start by finding a PLR resource that I can buy the rights to for pretty cheap. And there's a resource here called plr.me. I don't own it, but I do have a special link with them, so it's going to be in the description along with the other resources so that you can open an account with them and get 10 credits for free. So the way it works is, let's say we're looking for time management. I'm going to search on here for plr.me, which stands for private label rights. So basically we're going to pay to buy the rights to a product on here that we can then modify and make it more valuable and start reselling as our own without having to give them credits. We get to keep 100% of the sales. So here are a lot of different time management offers I can see here. What I'm going to do is click here on this category, time management. And for a self-paced offer, I'm going to look for something like reports and ebooks and the productive mom. Be the master of your day, 6 simple strategies to manage your time and boost your productivity. So what we're going to see here is that this is a 71-page ebook, nearly 7,000 words, and we scroll down, we can see the table of contents and see that, okay, I mean, this matches up pretty well with my niche and what I'm looking for, and it looks to be a pretty valuable product. They have a little sneak peek here of what it's going to look like. It's actually very dense. So I'm going to get this here. It's 15 credits. So I'm going to go ahead and download it. So now I have this offer downloaded, and back here on the category page, we just downloaded the main ebook. We can even go and look for things that do really well as a complimentary when selling digital products, is including something like a worksheet or a checklist. So if we come on here, let's see, time management worksheet. I mean, it's only 1 credit. You can get 10 credits for free using the link in my description. So I'm just going to go ahead and download this because I think we could bundle these up and make it a very unique offer. And here's what the ebook actually looks like, which honestly, it doesn't look too bad at all. It's actually pretty clean in here. But we don't just want to sell it using this cover, and we also would like to modify some of the content to better fit a more specific audience, such as catering this towards not just anybody who wants time management or productivity, but instead for full-time employees who want to start an online business. So what we'll have to do is just reword a few things in here. And this is also something you could outsource, but doing it your first time, I recommend just doing it yourself because you can do this all within a day. So now comes graphic design. This is a pretty cool section because this is how we make the product more valuable. And the way we do this is basically take our existing digital product and we can import it into a Canva ebook template to modify the design, the cover, and overall the contents, as I said, to match our niche. So once I get over here to Canva, I'll look up ebook templates, and you can see this is actually an option for pro subscribers. So maybe it's like $9 a month, but you can get a free trial to use this for yourself in the description below with Canva. And what I'm doing when I'm looking at ebook templates is really just looking to see which kind of fits the vibe of my idea for my digital product. So this is about time management for full-time employees who want to start an online business. So I'm looking for something kind of simple, but also appealing at the same time. And this isn't going to be exactly what we're using, but it's just something that we can start with. And let's just keep on going, see what catches my eyes. There was one above that caught my eye, but let's see if there's anything else here that might be a little bit better. Maybe like this one right here. There are a ton of templates, but let's customize this one. And this name might not be the perfect one, but it's just something quick that I came up with here. You want to think of something that will just briefly explain what your offer is going to be about and caters towards your specific audience. But the cover isn't the most important part. Your marketing will be, so don't stress over this. But I'm going to show you how to put this all together. So what I can do first here is just download this, and I'm going to do this here, honestly, just as a PNG. So let me download this, and I'll show you what I'm going to do with that soon. But next, what I want to do is go here to File, And what I'm going to do is import our PLR ebook. And then I went ahead and dragged over the cover we just made. So now the full ebook is in here. And what we're going to just do is make some adjustments like we talked about earlier to cater it specifically towards our ideal customers. So like for in this case, time management for full-time employees who want to start an online business. So we can start just by taking the background color of our cover and copy that. And then we can just basically apply it to the background of our other pages so it kind of fits in. And we can even make changes to the text and such, everything we want to do, where we can then just go ahead here and download our final file as a PDF standard. And then what I'm going to do is just duplicate this page right here. And what I'm going to do is actually remove all of this, and I'm going to import the image that I downloaded of our cover. Then I'm going to drag it over here, click edit image, and then what I'm going to do is look for smart mockups, and what I'm going to do is scroll down to find a book. Then I'll put it here, book number 6, and it should show it with our cover. Awesome. I'm just going to drag this out, have it fit the entire frame, and then what I'm going to do is go here to share, download, and I'm just going to do only the page 1 and transparent background, download. So now once I have that done, it's time to set up our online store so that we can start selling. Now, it can definitely be a little confusing when deciding which platform to use if you're just a beginner, but Shopify is one that I've been using for years. It's pretty simple, and you can even get started today for just $1 by using the special link in my description. So what we're gonna do here is just go to products. This is just an example store that I have for myself. And I'm gonna do add product, and we're going to call this whatever. Just for example, I'm gonna call it ebook. And then I'm going to go here and add the image we just downloaded of the mockup we made. For price, I'm just going to start with something low so we can get started, get our proof of concept, and we're going to get rid of quantity. And we are going to choose digital product or service here. And I'm just going to leave the rest blank for now and save it. So now just to show you the basics of kind of what we're starting here with, this is what it'll look like with the exterior, the cover, and then obviously this will all be filled up, but we don't have time to go over every single little thing here in this video right now. But if you do want to learn all the details and work with me in doing this for yourself, just message me the word freedom on Instagram and we'll see if we're a good fit. But once you have that product made, we need to automate the fulfillment. And the way you do that is you're going to go to the Shopify App Store and search easy digital products, and it's this app right here. So all you're going to do is click add app, going to install it. Then what you'll do is click this right here. You're going to search for your product. So for our example, it was just called ebook. So we'll search it. Here it is. We're going to pick the product. And now what we need to do is just upload the file of the digital product. So in this case, it's going to be our ebook PDF file. And once you have it there, you can just click upload and save. So now every time you make a sale on your store for this digital product, your customer will be able to download it instantly on the confirmation thank you page, and it will be emailed to them directly so they can download it in case they missed it on the confirmation page. That way you don't have to do anything when it comes to fulfillment. It's fully automated and instant. My favorite part now is the marketing, because what we can do is take advantage of free organic traffic hacks to make the very first sale. And what this is basically taking advantage using a specific strategy to post on TikTok and Instagram Reels, short form content, to get free engagement and ultimately traffic to our site. So even for example, for time management, what we could do is find interview clips online talking about time management and just edit them into our own style to get attention from our ideal customer base. If you've been on TikTok, I'm sure you've seen a lot of pages like this. I mean, this one's about motivation, and they post these different interviews with captions and some sounds on it, but a lot of them don't really know how to monetize the platform. So they're getting followers, but they're selling these physical products. But what most people don't understand is that for a theme page versus a personal page, there's a big difference in the trust. Just naturally, someone's going to trust a person more than an anonymous page. But that's okay for you just starting out, because we're not asking people to buy clothes to wear on their body, but instead we're offering a real, valuable digital solution that they can take advantage of. It's not a novelty item. That's the big key to success with digital dropshipping, is that we're actually solving real life problems with digital solutions. We're not just offering something that adds no value to someone's life. And your main objective when you start marketing is getting proof of concept, which is your first sale. So once you have your proof of concept, that first sale, you're going to continue to post organic, but also you will start exploring paid ads to scale. So to learn more, just leave a like on this video and check out my description for all of the resources. Peace.